This crazy ridiculousness that you see right here is Nick getting ready to chop down this tree. It's very large. He has this crazy huge amount that he's gonna try to pull down. And Kent the strongman's got this big rope that's connected down here that he's gonna pull on after Nick makes the appropriate cuts. Here's He-Man.
Not responsible for any broken property and or injuries that may occur.
I am glad to see that my new car is on the opposite side of the road.
I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do.
How big does he think that piece is that you're supposed to be pulling down here?
The tree?
Yeah.
55 feet.
How big is that spot that's going to be falling?
The whole thing.
Oh, he's going to cut it down here? Oh, you guys are stupid. I did notice that you didn't move your truck.
I will. My truck's going in the middle of the street.
Ah.
Stop traffic.
You're going to pull this whole thing down?
The tree?
Yeah. I thought you were just going to do like pieces of it. Oh, Lord. Alright, where do you... Oh my gosh! Ah! Run, kid, run, run!
Success! Just missed the fence.
You did?
Yeah, just missed it.
I think that's the best possible spot. High five! The best possible spot I could land.
Man versus nature. Man wins. With the aid of power tools.
We could have left our cars in the driveway and everything.
No? Your truck.
I might have scratched it up a little bit.
Alright, so
The beast has been felled.
we're up there for now, yeah. You want a chainsaw or you want to use the other saw?
Hey Nick, we're gonna have to fix our roof. You can see it now.